team. You're a cog in the machine, it's like a default.